All right, so let me show you how to do problem number 6. I want to remind you some of your geometry terminology. The word trisect means that all these angles here are congruent. Now, a common misconception is that each of these angles is 30, because a lot of people think that angle NOS is a right angle. And remember, it's not a right angle unless there's that little square in the corner, or in the problem it states that it is a right angle. So please don't go down that road. A lot of people want to go down that road. All right, so how do I solve for this? Do you see that there are two variables, two unknowns? So if there's two unknowns, there has to be two equations. So because all three of them are equal to, I only need to get two sets. So what do I have? 3x minus 4. You guys, I apologize about this. This drives me about this area. 3x minus 4y is equal to x minus y. So I set the first two angles together, and now I'm going to do angle 2 and angle 3. So x minus y is equal to y minus 10. All right, and so with this first one here, I'm going to add 4y to both sides, and I get 3x is equal to x plus 3y, and then I'm going to subtract x, and I get 2x is equal to 3y. And I'm going to keep it like that for now, because I don't like dealing with fractions, just like you guys don't like dealing with fractions. But over here on the second equation, I notice that if I add y to both sides, I get x is equal to 2y minus 10. All right, so now I know what x is, so I'm simply just going to substitute x in. So 2, and then parentheses, 2y minus 10 is equal to 3y. 4y minus 20 is equal to 3y. All right, so I'm going to subtract 3y from both sides. So I get y minus 20 is equal to 0. Add 20 to both sides, and I get y is equal to 20. So I know what y is. Y is 20. All right, so now I know what y is. So I'm going to go to a different color now. And so now I need to solve for x, and so I know that x is equal to 2y minus 10. So x is equal to 2 times 20 minus 10, which is 40 minus 10, which is 30. So x is equal to 30. All right, so now, but what did they ask for? Angle ROS. All right? And they tell us that angle ROS is y minus 20. So that is going to be 20 minus 10, y minus 10, excuse me. So it's 10 degrees. Degrees! If there's words in the problem, there's words in the answer. All right. Now remember, we're having a quiz on Monday. If you need more help with this, I'm tutoring tomorrow morning.